Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3, 8 or newer, and creating an isolated virtual environment so dependencies stay predictable. Once done, install Streamlit plus your model backend, Torch or TensorFlow, and any preprocessing libs. Make sure requirements. TXT reflects versions. Place the exported model file in the project folder and implement a lightweight predict function that accepts NumPy arrays or pandas frames. This gets you immediately to a runnable app. Now you can build the Streamlit UI and wire it to that function. You now craft app. Py. Define UI elements like sent title, inputs, and uploaders so users can send data. When loading the model, cache it with sent cache resource or implement a simple singleton to prevent repeated loads because model load is expensive. Once the data arrives, run your deterministic preprocess steps, normalize, tokenize, reshape, then call predict and format the result with probabilities or labels. Make sure you handle edge cases, like missing features, and display friendly error messages to guide users. You finalize by running Streamlit run app. Py locally and exercising typical inputs to measure latency and memory use. Once satisfied, containerize the app with a lightweight Docker file, expose port 8501, and deploy to your host or cloud container service. Make sure to set environment variables for secrets and choose model precision appropriately. If things fail, inspect the process logs and resource metrics, often reducing precision. Adding batching or increasing swap resolves out-of-memory issues, so try those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.